we've got to get the belt not hooked up anymore. So we are on what would be, if you're sitting in the seat of the tractor, this would be your right hand side. This is your tensioning pulley. You might want to wear gloves. You don't have to. I probably should be. But grab that pulley. You'll reach up. The front pulley is right here. And you walk the belt off and carefully bring that tensioning pulley back in. I wouldn't let go of it. It's got quite a bit of spring tension on it. After I discovered that the second pulley on the mower deck was shot, I ordered up another pulley from Amazon warehouse. The first one I got was good, as you can see. You know what this one is? Junk. This is the second pulley. I finally got one with some teeth. As you saw just a moment ago, the Amazon sent one that was garbage. So here we are, back taking things apart again. Our zip 3/8. 1 and 2. That brings that cover off. You can see our, going to move the belt back to the side there. This size is a big damn crescent wrench that I had handy. So, with any luck, I can just grab my blade. A gloved hand isn't a terrible idea. Loosen that guy up. Okay. That comes off. Oh boy. Yeah. I'm not sure how well you're going to see this, but the splines on the what I thought was good enough pulley are good pulley. Splines on there aren't bucketed up too bad. Our washer's in place where it needs to be. Set that back down. And I'll tighten it by spinning the blade. Snug that guy down, hopefully enough. Snug down. We'll quick zip the cover back down, like so. Snug this down, just a plastic cover, and we'll go from there. Main power comes from the motor up here. Got an idler pulley there. This is the spring tensioner pulley. Here's the belt. Goes across and around and all that business. I'm going to pull it back towards the front of the mower and then try and work this on the blade spindle pulley and viola. Power from up front here. The electric clutch is up here. Kind of hard to film this correctly. Here's our pulley, spring-loaded pulley that tensions our belt, and idler there that sends the belt around over to the other side.